President Trump taking aim at drug companies, demanding they publicly prove the effectiveness of COVID vaccines. The president suggesting the question over whether the shots save lives has ripped apart the CDC. NBC's Garrett Hake has more from the White House.
A week of tests for the White House as President Trump considers expanding the deployment of troops in major U.S. cities, while also facing internal turmoil at his health agencies.
Ice agents have got to go! Hey, hey!
In Washington, D.C. on Labor Day, protesters pushing back against President Trump's use of federal forces.
Free D.C.! Free D.C.!
And in Chicago, crowds demanding Trump not expand his federal law enforcement surge there.
No troops in Chicago! No troops in Chicago!
The president has attacked Chicago for its high crime rates, even though the city's crime and murder rates are falling.
Everybody knows Chicago is a hellhole right now.
Two federal law enforcement officials tell NBC News that ICE, Border Patrol, and other federal agencies plan to scale up operations to arrest undocumented immigrants in Chicago as early as this week. As the president mulls that move, he'll also face questions in Washington this week over his vaccine policy, after he yesterday appeared to question the effectiveness of the COVID vaccines. They were first developed under his watch. In a post on Truth Social, Mr. Trump challenging pharmaceutical companies to, quote, justify the success of their various COVID drugs. It comes years after he launched Operation Warp Speed in his first term, which fast-tracked vaccine production, and which the president has long praised as a success.
We're on the verge of another American medical miracle.
And amid extraordinary turmoil at the nation's health agencies. On Monday, 9 former heads of the CDC slammed Trump's Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. in a blistering New York Times op-ed, accusing him of, quote, endangering every American's health, and blasting Kennedy's firing of CDC Director Dr. Susan Minares last week that led to 4 top leaders at the agency resigning in protest. The former CDC heads writing that Minares refused to, quote, rubber stamp his dangerous and unfounded vaccine recommendations.